name is Genevia, and I am a copywriter slash beauty founder turned web designer at HB Lighthouse. So HB Lighthouse is a web design studio, and I help health and beauty brands launch their websites or redesign their websites on Shopify. So today I wanted to talk about the 4 must-have apps. These are apps that I recommend you have on your website when you are launching your business for the first time on Shopify. So to get you started, these are the 4 apps. 1, product review app. The one that I recommend when you're just starting out is called Judge Me. So install this app and get ready to have folks share their testimonies about your products. And this is important because you want people to share their thoughts about your product because it lends and speaks to your credibility as a brand, and it also establishes trust. And so people want to see reviews. They want to see what people are saying about your products before they buy it. I mean, think about you when you are shopping online. Do you typically search out reviews to see what people are saying on some of these stores? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. So you definitely want to have a section on your website that's dedicated to product reviews, and typically it's going to be on your product page. So that's where people will be able to learn more about what others are saying or think about your particular product. Another app that I recommend you get onto your website is Shopify Email. So Shopify Email is just what it is. It is basically an email marketing platform or system that allows you to send email campaigns, email blasts, announcement, all that good stuff to your audience directly in Shopify. So you don't have to go to another platform like a MailChimp or a Flowdesk unless you want to use those services. But if you are looking for something easy, you're just starting out, you're not trying to pay for another service, you can use Shopify Email. Another good thing about Shopify Email is that you can customize your email. So you can add your branding elements, which is what you should want to do to be consistent across all channels, like I have shared in a branding video, and I will link that here. But you definitely want to be consistent and show up the same way across all channels. And email is another channel that's very different from website, which is another channel. Social media is another channel. So you definitely want to be consistent across the platforms, and your email is no different. So Shopify is cool. Shopify email rather is cool because you get to customize your emails and show up the same way across all your channels. Another one of my favorites, so when I was starting my cosmetics brand, y'all know the story. I was on WordPress. You can learn more about that in my video that I created called Why Shopify, or at least the thumbnail is called Why Shopify. But I talk more about how I started on WordPress and then I migrated over to Shopify. But I love the live chat feature, and I think I was on Shopify around the time when they just launched it. So I was an early adopter, and I used it and I loved it because it's essentially a live chat feature. I think I just said that, but it is also called Shopify Inbox. That is the actual name of the app. And Shopify Inbox, again, is like a live chat feature. So there's going to be a little bubble icon, like a little thought icon at the bottom of your footer. Actually, I think you can place it anywhere really, but typically it makes more sense to put it at the bottom. And it functions as, you guessed it, a live chat feature. So you can literally set up automated frequently asked questions. So your FAQs can be set up in live chat so that you can have rapid fire answers to people's questions when they type in common things like tracking or product information, whatever the case is. These notifications can also be sent to your email. So whenever someone is asking or inquiring of you, you can set it up where it goes directly to your inbox and not have to be on your physical website. So if you're on the go, making an errand, going to the USPS, FedEx, UPS, wherever you're going to mail and fulfill your products, you can easily just open your phone, go to your email account, and see the notifications right there and respond to folks on the spot. Another cool thing about Shopify Inbox is that it can be customized. Another app that I recommend is Shopify Forms. So this essentially is a pop-up form that you can have on your website, and this integrates very well with Shopify email. So you can add discount codes to the pop-up. So like, welcome, get 10% off your first purchase, and then folks can immediately see their discount code and continue to shop. This is also cool because you are able to sort of, give them an incentive to start purchasing with you, because who don't like a good discount? So in addition to that, you can also customize Shopify Forms and again have your branding show up. A bonus app that I recommend, so this is number 5, but this is a bonus, is Instagram Feed, and have folks just be enticed to check your Instagram account out and follow you. So it's just another way of introducing social media to your website viewers. And that's it. And again, these apps are all free, so I recommend installing them, playing around with them, customizing them to your brand so that you can connect with your audience and provide really great customer service through your emails, through your forms, through the live chat feature, through the product reviews, because that is also a form of customer service, just allowing people to get to know what others are saying about your brand. And then you're supposed to be monitoring that as well so that you know how to always optimize your website, your business, and provide the best products and service possible. So that is all that I have for you all today. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, make sure that you leave them down below in the comment section, and I will get back to you ASAP. And subscribe to this channel, like this video, and follow us on social media. So we're also on Instagram, we're on TikTok, creating short form videos there, really fun, really cute. And I would love to see you guys over there as well. And so that is all I have for you today. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.